Now I will continue introduce about the grading. You use the grading tools. Right click and choose all the pattern. Now you select reset. You can see all the grading delete. Grading value delete. Sometimes you also can grading all the right side the point together. For example, this point, and also this point and this point. 4 point 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 point in x direction, in horizontal direction, we can grading together. You're writing +1. You see automatic. So this is very fast and easy way to grading all these points one time finish. For the bottom line, the 2 point we also can grading together. -2. Okay, like this. We also can copy all the grading point to the similar pattern. Now I select these tools. Select copy. Select all. Then select this button. Right click. Oh, sorry. I think you only select this side. Now select this side. Oh, just now I add one grading point. Oh, sorry. We must make sure there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 point. But this pattern, just now, we add one grading point in here. So I also introduce how to delete the grading point. You also should delete this point. Now you select the delete tools. You only stop here. Only stop here. Then you press the delete button on the keyboard. Press the delete key on the keyboard. Now already delete. We can check. You see now this is no grading point. No any grading point. Now I copy again. Some maybe the grading point is okay. Now like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 grading point. Now copy to here. Another 1 point also same. Now like this. Now this is okay. So the important is you must make sure the 2 point, all the grading point is same. For example, from here, clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from here also same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this is same point. So in the curve line or any other place cannot have another more point. If have another more point, you should delete the point first. So last one, I will introduce another situation. First I delete. Use these tools. I select, then reset. For example, sometimes I grading this side +1, but sometimes maybe the customer need the biggest size, need different value. For example, 2. You can see now this we can have this grading effect. Like this we can change. For example, this 1.5. So you just change in horizontal direction. You change here. Then you can get this result.